Welcome back to English Always, a channel to learn English all day, every day. On this series, we will learn how to pronounce the English alphabet. Go, let's go! We will start with the first letter of the alphabet, which is the letter A, and we pronounce it uh. This shape of the letter A is called a capital letter. A capital letter. We use it at the start of the sentence. This shape of the letter A is called a small letter. A small letter. We use it in the middle of the words or at the end. Now, let's see some examples. Words that start with the letter A. Apple, apple. Arm, arm. Words that have the letter A in the middle. Bat, bat. Cat, cat. Words that end with the letter A. Camera, camera. Ninja, ninja. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye.